Right, we've done page 10, so now we're going to decorate our cover. And we're going to do the inside first. So I've already done the left-hand inside front cover, and the other side is exactly the same. It's going to mirror it. So the idea is you'll still have pockets so you can put things in. So that will be a pocket. You have a pocket there. That one will go there. This time you're going to drop that down with a little strip across there, and one there like that. So you can, with the jellyfish, you can decide which way up you want them. You might want the same way that way. So, okay, so we'll just run along here. You can use double-sided tape for this, but this is very strong. And also, because it's sticking onto Architape, you're probably better using a good strong PVA. You've got Architape here. So let's cover those bits first. We'll go up to there. Line up with that pattern there. Perfect. Pull that down a little bit. Next one is going to be the top of here, and I've already inked the edges as well. I think I'm going to have it that way around. Oh, oops, I'll pop that one on there. Now what you will need to do is just get rid of that glue, because that's going to be a pocket and you don't want that to stick. Wiggle that. I think I've got a glue rubber in there somewhere. Okay, thank you. Gosh, this is good.
You're shaking the camera.
Sorry, but we will. You'll be pleased to know we have got these back in stock on our website now. Glue rubbers, glue remover rubbers. Right, okay, so that's going to be your next pocket there. Pop that in there. And then before, if you remember, we put it right up at the top of the pocket end if we didn't have enough space. This time we're going down to the bottom. I don't know if I like that sound, really. A bit like nails on a blackboard. Okay. So go down the bottom there. Decorative border strip. That's up there. That's right there. Okay, and so you have ended up with pockets, front and back cover. So that's a pocket, that's a pocket, that's a pocket, and that's a pocket. Okay, so that's your inside done.